guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys saw me haul at Hobby Lobby like a week or two ago. I bought these wood pile like circle shapes. I wanted them for this bigger piece. These were $2.99. You could easily use a 40% off coupon. They did have a size that was a hair bigger, like the circle was, but they were way thicker, like double the thickness. So I was like, I'm just gonna stick with these super like thin, I guess, wood chips, you know, whatever they are. Then just with some black acrylic paint. This is the ebony black, lamp ebony black. I just painted on, so it's already dry. I wasn't gonna show you guys me painting this because it's easy, you know. I have these stickers, these Jolie stickers you guys saw me haul at Michael's. I was looking at my stash and I have similar ones. I don't know where these are from. These might be Recollections spiders. They're a little bit shorter and like the legs are thicker. Okay, baby. Let's see. So these are the ones I was using. Okay. So once you painted your little like wood chips or whatever, ta-da! I used my new pen that I got from Daiso Japan. It's like a gold paint pen. And I just went over the glitter spiders. The legs are kind of like super thin. Like I think they're made of paper. And then the butts are like foamish. So this is what it'll look like. It's kind of like a taxidermy animal. Kind of like, you know, a deer head or a... No, not a snake. I don't think they do taxidermy for snakes. I don't know. You know, all the critters that get stuffed, but like this is a bug version of it. I don't know if it has a different name, but I saw something like this on Pinterest and I was like, oh, I need to make that because these are like super tiny. They're dollar size, I guess. And you can use these to embellish like a card or put this on top of a rosette or whatever, you know, anything you can basically. So once you paint your chip, I do this part first. These ones are stickers actually, so it's like it's sticking on this paper. I did want to try to find some, you know, like the little flies or the bugs at Dollar Tree that I thought were in like the little kids toy section, but I didn't see any. So if you guys see any, let me know, because these spiders, I would have liked them a little smaller, but I'm working with what I have. So big old spider. So kind of just holding the legs down. I'm sure you can pick this up too. I'm just going over it with this pen, this marker, which is very liquidy gold, super pretty gold. I'm so happy I found this for $1.50 at Daiso. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Like the inner like cracks and stuff you can see are still black, which is fine. Then with your good old glue gun, you could probably wait till he's done drying with the gold, but I'm impatient. And look at creepy little like bug taxidermy embellishments, just from like some stickers, or like I said, try to find those little flies and stuff from like the kid cheap section at a dollar store. I've seen them before, but of course they're not there when I need them. And there you go. Catch you guys on the next video. Bye.